Alrighty, here we are, and the key is right here. So you've got your cabin, handy dandy. Keys are inside, so. Alrighty, here we are in our room. We just got in here and put a couple of things down, but I wanted to show it to you super quick here. We've got a health advisory, so we'll read through that and tell you about it. There's the program. Oh, this is, oh, you can fill that out, you know, if you, how you would like your, if you'd like your beds changed, if you need more hangers, anything else. And then, oh, look at this. I got a little Effie necklace here. So, destination highlights and shopping show. So first of all, you come in the door, and this is the, clearly where the bed is. A pretty mirror here. Here is where the television is. There's the love seat. Holland America cabins all have a love seat at least. I like the little table here. Here is the desk. Let me show you right over here. This is nice right here, our little shelves. Some glasses. And then right here is where the refrigerator is. Alrighty, a nice mirror there. Now let's go over this way and we'll show you the nightstand. Let me show you really quickly here the plugs. So you can see what is right next to the bed there. There's a USB plug right there. So over on this side there is also a USB. So if you are someone that uses the CPAP, you are going to need to have an extension cord. And then right here are the other plugs. You can plug a modem in if you need to. That's a long time ago. And then here's these plugs right here as well. And then finally another USB right there. So let's go this way and take a look over here. Let me point out here there's a couple of hooks. That's handy for jackets. A couple of hooks on the bathroom door. So here is the bathroom. It's nice that they, of course, have the little areas right here to put your toiletries in. And then here on the Eurodam, it's a bathtub with a shower curtain. We do have the Elemis brand shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in the shower there. So it's a small bathtub. I should point that out if it's not clear. I mean, you could sit in there, no problem, but it's not a normal size bathtub. So let's do the closets, and let me show you from this direction. Whoops, here a little bit. And they have soap and lotion for you there. And down below. Alrighty, and then here are the closets. So let's open the doors here so that you can see. I know it's kind of tight. I'll step into the bathroom here. So there's your life jackets. It's a full-length closet right here. So that's nice. And then right here is another closet. So it's a full-length one as well. And let me step out here. I wanted to show you. Here's a mirror, full-length mirror right there. Sorry, I paused. It looked like it needed cleaned. Okay. And then right here are some shelves, a place to hang a little bit. Right here, like you could hang, you know, trousers, skirts, shorter shirts. Then here's a couple of blankets, which come in really handy in Alaska. There's your safe. Here's a couple of robes. And then you've got another shelf up there to store things. So, you know, I noticed on the Koningsdam when I was on that last year that they don't have a lot of storage space in these Holland America cabins. I really do think, in my experience between Royal Caribbean, Holland America, Princess, and Norwegian, that really, I think Princess knocks it out of the ballpark with the amount of storage space that you have, as well as, and Celebrity, I've been on Celebrity, and as well as on the amount of storage space and just convenient places to organize everything. But I would say that right behind them, I would say, is Royal Caribbean and Celebrity on the space that they've got for you to put everything away. And so anyway, if you have any questions, let us know. Right over here, we would like to know. In the trash can there, they've got a slot for paper only, which I'm guessing they recycle, and then general waste. And then here is our balcony. You have a little table and a couple of chairs. So here's the, sorry. And then out here is our view. Isn't this beautiful? It's just beautiful. And directly on the other side of us, so we are on port. On the other side of us is the beautiful Royal Princess. It's nice, it's not raining, it's chilly and breezy today, but it's not raining. So let me just show you the balcony from this side. So right here, there's the other chair. And you just pull down on the handle like that, and in you go. So we're going to have a lovely week here in this cabin, so I'm really excited and on the ship. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.